Hey guys, welcome back to Karan's Cuisine, and since it's the day before Halloween, today I'll be making a Halloween special. Ooh, spooky. For my first Halloween treat, I'll be making Oreo bats. The ingredients you're gonna need for this are some Oreos, some edible candy eyes, or mini marshmallows cut into half, some red or black buttercream, or you could use melted chocolate, and something to apply the buttercream on the marshmallow. Okay, the first step in making the Oreo bats is to split it like this, then cut this in half, and just watch and learn the rest. Now I'm gonna do it with the candy eyes. Now you're done with your two varieties of Oreo bat, and the red buttercream gives a bloody eye effect and looks cute and spooky at the same time. Now I can move on to my second treat. Snack, I'll be making Dracula cookies, also known as Dracula dentures, and for this you're gonna need 2 chocolate chip cookies. I baked these myself, 6 marshmallows per Dracula cookie, and 1 almond cut into 8 small slits, and the red buttercream that I used earlier. Okay, take a cookie and cut it in half. You can see how soft that was and easily it broke. And then just first Dracula cookie is done, and it looks like the teeth and a mouth, and it looks so good. My second Dracula cookie is done, and it's looking a little better than the first one. So now it's time for my third treat. For my third treat, I'm gonna be making strawberry ghosts, and I also like to call them ghost berries or berry ghosts. And for this, it's pretty simple. Just some strawberries, I put about 10, some melted white chocolate, some melted semi-sweet chocolate, I put a little black food coloring to make it darker. And if you want to know how to melt chocolates, then look at my cake video. I'll put a card up here, and that has how to melt the chocolates. Let's get started making them. Now we pipe dark chocolate onto the strawberries to make ghost faces. Okay, my little ghost army is ready. So now I can move on to my fourth treat. For my fourth treat, I'm going to use the chocolate that was left over. And this, you're going to need both chocolates, some eyes, and an Oreo. And with the black chocolate, I'm going to make a spider web. I'm going to make a spider web on this dark chocolate. Not my best, but I tried. Spread out a little white chocolate and put more spider webs on this one. So now I can sprinkle the Oreo I crushed in and put some eyes. Now this has to go into the fridge for about 30 minutes so that the chocolate can harden and turn into like bars that we can eat. It's been 15 to 20 minutes since I put these in the fridge and they hardened. So now I can cut them into little pieces, and this didn't come out as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still kind of bad, but it's not as bad. And if you're skilled enough, you can just bang it down and it'll break into pieces, but I'm cutting it because it's safer. And now all my Halloween treats are done, so I can pick out some to eat. Here are all my Halloween treats. The Oreo bats. This one is lucky he didn't die. I used chocolate as in the eyes instead of blood. And the Dracula dentures. Vlad would be proud of me. And the mummy chocolate, the spiderweb chocolate, and my strawberry ghosts. I can't eat all of these in front of you, so I'll just take a small piece of the chocolate. It's good. Make sure to try out this recipe and check out my other videos that I'll put in the description on how to make red buttercream and chocolate chip cookies. Like and subscribe.